Okay, so a few things to note, right? This is in the form of a t minus h squared plus k, okay? So given this, right, what is the maximum height of the ball? Well, the maximum height of this, right, this is an upside down parabola. So the maximum happens at the vertex. And the vertex here is hk, which is given to be 2.5 and 38.5. So what this means is, right, at the time, right, of 2.5 seconds, you'll get the maximum height, right, h max, at 38.5 meters, okay? Now the height of the ball, exactly when it was hit, right, is when time is equal to 0, right? The moment it's hit, right, time is 0, and the moment it moves, right, time will begin. So we just have to solve for h when t is 0, and we get this. Okay, so then adding this, you get approximately, you get exactly 1 meter, okay? So then for C, how many seconds after it was hit did the ball hit the ground to the nearest second? Okay, so when it hits the ground, the height will be 0, right? So what we're doing is searching for the x-intercepts of this, okay? But let's solve for when h is equal to 0, right? So then 0 is equal to minus 6, t minus 2.5 squared plus 38.5. Move this to the other side and divide by minus 6. Then I can get 38.5 over 6, right? Moving this over, I get a negative, but this negative will cancel out. Right, so here, I just need to square root both sides, okay? So square rooting both sides, right? What I end up getting is t minus 2.5 here, but this is plus or minus, okay? So our time will be, right, 2.5 plus or minus square root of 38.5 over 6, right? And that'll give us two values. So you get these two values, but we know that at 0 second is when, right, the batter hit the baseball. So we can't use this one, right? So 5 seconds is what it took for the ball to hit the ground, okay? And now if you want to find the height of the ball after it was hit, right, for after it was hit 1 second after, right, what you have to do is just plug in for t is equal to 1 second. So plugging that in, you get h is equal to minus 6, 1 minus 2.5 squared plus 38.5. And plugging this into your calculator, you can get 25 meters.